Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a quiz on Instagram story by iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application and make sure that you already signed in or logged in with the account that you need or you use. And after that, you just need to make sure that you are staying in a home screen or in a home section. Now you just need to slide your screen into the right side so that you will have an access into your Instagram story. Now just click this square symbols here to access your photo library, and just go find or pick one picture as the paste picture or background for the quest. And after that, you just need to go click the symbols and go click quiz. Now prepare the questions for the quiz. So let's say, how many feet you see? And after that, you just need to prepare the option. The option one, you can just go click the random and then prepare the another one. Just do for another options to choose, and you can also choose the best or the good option or the correct answer. And now you just need to go click that, adjusting the positions as well as the size. And now if you're ready, now go click your story. And now the quiz is already uploaded. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.